Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Like the video if you found it interesting. Let's go into the video. A easy way to sew a side pocket or a trouser pocket. First of all, let's place it this way. The right side facing the right side, as you can see how I'm doing on this video. Our pocket should be longer than the trousers itself, about 3/4 of an inch. And you see how we were folding the pocket side no? That we are going to sew on that line. Just watch and see what I'm doing on this video. That's line that we use the iron to create. We'll sew on that line, that very line. See what I've done. Create a notch there, then we flip it to the other side, then we stitch on that same place. After stitching, let's flip it to the other side. Have you seen how it is? Now turn it to the right side. Let's stitch 1/4 of an inch straight downwards. As you can see what I'm doing on this video, watch closely. 1/4 of an inch. Then flip it to the other side, then bring the other side. Arrange all the patterns, arrange all the pocket pieces to see how it will become. As you see me doing, see what we have gotten here. So after sewing, this is how the pocket will be. So let's tack it together with the trouser itself at this point. Let's do same to the down side. I want you to pay close attention here. You come down by 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch, or either 1 inch. Then we create a notch there. Let's shape the pocket according to the shape we want. And remember, this is to prevent it when you are joining the back piece to the front, you will not sew or stitch on the pocket. Let's flip it from this side, then we'll hold these two pieces together from the gaiters or the notch that we notch. You sew it all round to the shape that we shaped earlier on. As you can see, let's trim it small away so we can turn it back again, then we stitch on it 1/4 inch. Let's then turn it to the other side. Pinpoint this place, make sure it lie down flat, then we stitch on it. We are just stitching on it 1/4 inch all around. And our pocket is ready. Guys, is this difficult? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share your opinion. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share to your colleagues so that they will also learn from this simple way of sewing a side pocket or trouser pocket. See you in my next video. Bye.